See the speed and time related. Here train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So the distance is how much, man? 360 kilometers. Okay. And then if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. Do you know the speed of the train first of all? So let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay. And then the time 1 initially using the same speed. You know speed is equals to distance by time, like we have one formula. So here we know distance, we know speed, time only we don't know. Okay. So this time t1 is equals to distance by speed. So t1 is equals to distance how much, man? 360 kilometers, speed x kilometer per hour. Suppose the new speed, increased speed will be 5 kilometers more. So that means x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Now the new time taken will be what? For the same 360 kilometer per hour, 360 kilometer divided by x plus 5. Now my question is, there are two times are there. Which is higher, which is more time, which is less time? Simply, whenever the denominator is higher, that quantity is less. So x is higher or x plus 5 is higher. So this quantity is less than this. That is the idea. Okay. So either it is t1 minus t2 or t2 minus t1 we have to identify. So here, when you increase the speed, time will decrease as well. Okay. Am I audible? When you increase the speed, time will decrease. When you decrease the speed, time will increase. They are inversely proportional. So here, more speed, only less time. Okay. Hello. Class la irukku edha kuttungala. Am I audible? Am I audible or not? So this time is less. So we get t1 minus t2. How much is the difference between them? 1 hour less for the same journey. The time difference is 1 hour. So before writing this, we should make sure everything is in hours only or not. Suppose they gave minutes, means here we should write in minutes. 1 hour like 60 minutes we should write. Okay. And then here substitute this values, man. T1 is what? 360 by x. T2 is 360 by x plus 5 equals 1. And then cross multiply and simplify. Take 360 as common. You get x plus 5 minus x by x into x plus 5 equals 1. And then cross multiply, we will get plus x minus x cancelled. So 360 into 5 is equals to x into x plus 5. How much is 360 into 5, man? So it is 150, 6 5s are 30, 1800. Is it? Which is equal to x square plus 5x. So we get x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equals to 0. So by multiplication, minus 800 minus 1800, and by addition 5 should come. We should find such numbers, man. Obviously it's a big number, we can't find. Okay, so as there are two zeros, we'll put 1 0 1 0 here. Now by multiplication 18, addition 5, find such numbers. 6 3s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18. Any other things? No. It may not come. Then you better prime factor this 1800. So 2 times means 900. Again 2 times means 450. 2 times means 225. And then 5 times 45. And then 4 plus 5, 9. We are supposed to use 3 table. 3 times means 73. And then 73. 70 are 20. 9 table. No man. Prime number will not come. Did I miss anywhere? 1800 means here 900, 900, 450. 450 2 times 225. And then 3 table. 7 3s are 21, 15, 73 coming. But previously we used the 5, right? No. 4 plus 5, 9. 20 are 21, 15. Suppose if I use 5 table, 4 times 20, 5 times 25, and then again 5 table, 9 will come. Then previously why it is not coming by 3 table? 3 7s are 21 only. Seven 3s are 21. 5 3s are 7 table 75 it should come. I got 73. And then 3 times. Now pair these numbers like this. Then if you pair all these numbers, 2 2s are 4. Then this is 40. And this one is 45. So 40 into 45. Suppose this number not works, we will try regrouping different numbers. So 40 into 45. So this is this one gets negative, addition gets positive. So smaller number gets negative. So we'll get x minus 40 into x plus 45 is equal to 0. Then we get x is equal to 40 or x is equals to minus 45. This minus 45 not working obviously. So the speed of the train will be 40 km per hour. Okay. Any doubts on this? This like both and same question also there, man. Okay.